Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how we can remove our price alerts in Webull app. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on menu. Here you can see price alerts. You have to click on this and you'll see two options, mark as read and delete. You have to click on delete in order to remove your price alert. After that, again click on OK. So now your price alerts are removed. So this is how you remove your price alerts. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.